Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about, do tags matter on YouTube? Stay tuned so you can learn. Does tags really matter on your YouTube channel? Do you really have to have those tags? 500 tags if you upload from your laptop or your house computer. And on your phone, I think it's up to 250 tags. Some people are really compulsive about their tags. They have a fit about their tags. So does these tags really matter? It's been arguments about it. We're gonna set this. We're gonna put this one to bed. I'm gonna tell you what YouTube says, not what some other creator told you, some big creator and this and that person. This is what YouTube says, and I'm going to show it to you in black and white. Tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal, do you hear me? Minimal, M-I-N-I-M-A-L, minimal role in helping viewers to find your video. Tags play a minimal. Now when you upload your videos, and if you're uploading them from your desktop or your home computer, where you go to your tags, this statement will be right above your tags. It is telling you that tags are slowly going away. Basically, they already have, I do believe. And also, it has next to it, learn more. Let's see what learn more says. When you click on learn more, tags are descriptive keywords you can add to your video to help viewers find your content. Your video's title, thumbnail, and description. Those three things, your title, your thumbnail, and your description, are more, M-O-R-E, are more important pieces of the metadata to your video's discovery. Your title, your thumbnail, and your description is the most important part. These main pieces of information help viewers decide which video to watch. That is not Beverly saying it. It is not the next channel that I view saying it, but it is YouTube. So please make sure your title, your description, and your thumbnail are on point. And in your description, don't put, this is a great video you need to watch. You need to have 200 to 250 words in your video in your description telling about your video. And the first line in your description needs to be what your title is. Whatever, like my title today is, do YouTube, I done forgot it that quick, senior moment, do tags matter on YouTube? Do tags matter on YouTube? So, in my description, that will be the first sentence. Do tags matter on YouTube? And then when I go down to my tags, when I put in my tag, that will be my first tag. Do tags matter on YouTube? But your title, description, and your thumbnail is your most important weapon. Fill out your description completely. Let the first 200 to 250 words be telling about what your video is about, what's going on in your video, keywords in your video. Then you go on down in your description. If you have a Amazon affiliate, you can put in some links to that. If you have another business that you have, you can put that there. You need to put in your other social media outlets if you have Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Put that information there. Put in your email information. So how would someone know how to get in touch with you? If someone wanted to use you to sponsor you, how will they know how to get in contact with you? Put your email in the description. Please stop filling out that description with just 3 or 4 words. Sometimes people say wow. Sometimes they don't even say nothing. They leave it blank, and then you wonder why your videos are not being looked at. And another key thing, please, when you get a comment on your video, respond back. Hitting that red heart is good. Now, if you got 5,000 comments, I can understand all you can do is hit that heart. But if you can say something back, if somebody has left you a comment and they're talking about your video and telling you what they like about your video, you need to respond back after you upload your videos. Give it 30 minutes or so, and then go back and look and see if you have any comments. If you have comments, respond to those comments, not with just the red heart, but with words that you say. And that helps you right there. Pin a comment. If you don't have something that you want to put on there permanent yourself about your other videos, you need to pin someone's comment. The first person who makes a comment, pin their comment. But make sure you pin your comment. And make sure your thumbnail is on point. Do your house cleaning and do it right. And you will see more views coming. We won't have to run from channel to channel trying to get each other in these YouTube streets when we need to get more organic views. If you work on your videos and do them right and fill out your title, your description, and have your thumbnail on point, you don't have to worry about running from channel to channel, getting people to like your video, to subscribe to you, because you will get organic views. You will sit back and see people subscribing to your channel that you don't even know. You need to come out of your community where you feel comfortable at and meet the real world. Try it and see how it works for you. And I thank you for those who have watched this video all the way through. I thank you so much. And those who are here for the first time, thank you. And if you can, subscribe. Hit that red button and subscribe. Leave a comment and please give a thumb up. And please share out the video. But most of all, remember that I love you and God loves you more. And you know why? Because you are God's masterpiece. And our God does not make any junk. Be blessed and prosperous.
Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing